chemicals that'll eventually get into the water supply, what water they do have. You know, we live on a planet that's 2/3 water, but yet we have water shortages. How's that work? We got a new outbreak reported in Norway. Salmon anemia for 2021. The outbreak has been reported by a facility run by a family. They're going to wipe out all the salmon. We're watching in the coal so many animals in fear of the cornholio and all these different things. Norway's fish farmers suffered a worryingly high number of ISA outbreaks last year. They don't know what caused it. There's an investigation underway. It's the New World Order. That's what caused it. The CDC and TSA form a federal mask police, a face diaper enforcement. And enforcement is up to the officer's discretion. You know, they're not going to let this stuff go away, man. This is the takeover. This is the global reset. Agenda 21, Agenda 2030. Everybody's been warning everybody about this. I mean, just watching the election this year should tell you something's wrong. Well, we know what it is. So things are just going to keep on ramping up. We got photos of large crowds, few masks in the streets of Tampa before the Super Bowl. So what? Remember all the Trump rallies, you know, where thousands and thousands of people were out there with no masks? Hey, what happened to the, I thought we were going to have some kind of gigantic surge because there was some kind of pandemic going on. What happened to the surge? Did all them people get it? No. Welcome to the 2021 flu season. Elon Musk bound to take more jobs. Elon Musk shows off that Tesla's first electric semi can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds. You know, they're going to make everything autonomous, so it's going to be less jobs, but yet they want to open the borders, bring more people in. When there's no jobs, there's going to be food shortages. These idiots that are running the countries need to be put in their place. The SR-71 Blackbird predecessor created plasma stealth by burning cesium-laced fuel. You know, we're always talking about what's coming out of the back of these planes. Well, it's all kinds of stuff. And if you really want to know why the weather is nuts, it's not because of natural climate cycles. There is natural climate cycles, but they're affecting these cycles. and they're affecting them with weather modification. You look up in your skies, you see the crisscrossing grids going on all over the skies. They want you to think it's water vapor when we can look here and look at the emissions that are coming out of the jet fuel. Here's the table of the elements detected in the jet fuel. They burn the JP8, the biodiesel now. You can see super high amounts of aluminum, barium, calcium, chromium, copper, lead, magnesium, strontium, selenium, titanium. You can also have your snow sampled, and you're going to find high amounts of aluminum, arsenic, barium, beryllium, boron, cadmium, calcium, cobalt, lead, lithium. There's high amounts of lithium in the snow. Magnesium, silicon, silver, strontium, thallium. I mean, all this stuff is in the snow. It's in the rain. This is why bees are getting Alzheimer's. This is why everybody is getting sick. And they've known about this for a long time. In fact, if you go back exactly 41 years, they said 41 years ago how they were going to use aircraft to change the weather for the better. Listen to this clip from 41 years ago.
On clear days, you can often see long white lines being traced high in the sky. They are contrails of jet aircraft, actually long, slender clouds. Weathermen are finding them especially fascinating because a theory is being developed that those long white lines may be changing our weather for the better. Details